Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily edit a collection's cover on Instagram with the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your saved collections or just give them a new look, this step-by-step guide will help you do it in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal Instagram page where all your posts and settings are. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open the menu options. From the menu, select Saved. This section contains all the posts and collections you've saved over time. Once you're in the saved area, tap on Collections. Here, you'll see all the collections you've created to organize your saved posts. Now, pick the specific collection you want to edit. Tap on it to open the collection's contents. To make changes to the cover, tap the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the collection page. This will open a small menu. From this menu, choose Edit Collection. This is where you can change the name of the collection or update its cover image. To change the cover, tap on Change Cover. Instagram will show you the posts within that collection. Scroll through and select the one you want to use as the new cover image. Once you've made your choice, confirm it by tapping the confirmation button. And that's it. Your collection now has a fresh new cover that better represents the content inside. This simple update helps keep your saved posts organized and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try this out and keep your Instagram collections looking great. See you next time.